Yeah, it's me again. So check it out. Ladies, not gentlemen, drop your drawers, have a seat, and let's get into this. Yeah.
Easily I'm approaching, there ain't no joking. When the pussy holes are open, ready to fuck until my dick is raw. Yo, the motherfucking devil's son-in-law.
Peter, the pussy eater.
No, it's a E, the motherfucking pussy eater. And I'm the quick to pick it up, quick to pick up a bitch. So come here, bitch, and lick up the dick. Now how many nuts would it take for me to let the bitch graduate to lesson 3? Let's see. As you can see, I straight wax that ass. Back up, bitch, unless you want nut in your eye. I never, ever seen a bitch cry. Nut 1, nut 2, nut 4, 5, 6. I lost a third nut in the mix. Fuck it.
Hey yo, Yellow Boy, what you rewind?
6, 5, 4, now 3 is up. Give me that nut. You wanna feel the dick, baby? Try your luck. Because I eat like the fuck. Yo, I get 'em stuck on and get the fuck on. Give 'em a tipsy roll and tell 'em thanks for the pussy hole. I find 'em, fuck 'em and flee, you know. But before I do, yo, I take a hoe to the hotel, or to the motel, or to the Holiday Inn. Yo, if that bitch start fucking up, I'll just fuck her friend. A Dr. Dre, a Mom Mellow. It's on you, so what you gonna do?
Well, it's on and on and on and on. Yo, the beat don't stop until the break of dawn. Yo, every bitch I know they wanna get with me. The motherfucking notorious D.R.E. Spit game at a bitch while a nigga's around. And you know most hoes know not to clown. Cause if a bitch try to diss me while I'm full of liquor, I smack the bitch up and shoot the nigga that's with her. That's the kind of nigga that you're listening to. Talk to you for a minute, then my dick's in you. Yo, now every single bitch got the price to pay. Up on that big something WA. Yo, I find them, fuck them and flee, you know. But before I do, yo, I take a hoe to the hotel, or to the motel, or to the Holiday Inn. If that bitch starts fucking up, yo, I'll just fuck her friend. Now MC Ren, what up, my man?
Check it out.
It's on you. So what the fuck you gonna do?
Now gather round, y'all, and check it out, y'all. And all the bitches come and suck up on my balls, y'all. And take a ticket to play with it like a slinky. So put your lips on my big chocolate Twinkie. And you swallow all the nut if your bitches are smart to make my dick pop up like a Pop-Tart. But after I'm nut, I'ma leave ya. But first I must deceive ya. Because bitch, I don't need ya. And don't say that you love me too. Cause if I turn my back, you would fuck the whole crew. You're nothing but a steak, ho, trying to take my bank, ho. So I have to let you know at a hotel, or at a motel, or at a Holiday Inn. Because if that bitch starts fucking up, yo, I'll just fuck her friend.
Yeah, it's Mr. Big Draw. CPO's in the motherfucking house. You thought Fat Beat was greasy. Shit, I lay down here gonna love to go deep. 357 pounds. More miles than a house, and I say what counts. And what counts tonight is the show ain't over till the fat man fuck.